Welcome to my YouTube channel, Instrumentation and Automation by Nasar Babu. My name is Nasar Babu. I have completed my Masters in Instrumentation and Control Systems. I have more than 12 years experience in multiple industries like power plant, pulp and paper industry, glass bottle manufacturing, steel plant, and oil and gas, including overseas experience in Gulf. During my professional career, I have worked in multiple positions like GET, engineer, assistant manager, deputy manager, and senior SCADA engineer. Currently, I am working as a senior SCADA engineer in Total Automation Solutions, Muscat. In this channel, I would like to share practical and real plant knowledge regarding PLC, DCS, SCADA, HMI. During my professional career, I gained strong practical knowledge in instrumentation and automation. This channel is mainly intended for freshers, diploma candidates, BTech graduates, and also working professionals who are seeking for professional growth. I will share maintenance, troubleshooting, and shutdown activities. What is the actual practices going in current industries? Not only theoretical concept, real-time practical knowledge I will share. Please subscribe my channel. You also connect me on LinkedIn. Link was given in